Hello, today we are going to train your English voice
to know when to use the present perfect and the past simple tenses.
We use the present perfect tense when an action started in the past and it is still continuing now. The past simple tense is used when an action started and ended in the past. So let's have a look at sentence example 1. Today's paper has been shocking. I don't want to continue reading. That is the present perfect tense. It is an action that started in the past but is continuing now as I speak. We know this by the words has been. Sentence 2. I saw the headline yesterday and was shocked by the article. This is the past simple tense. We know that because of the word saw and was shocked. So both of these happened yesterday. So the action started and ended in the past. I saw the headline yesterday and was shocked by the article. It is not continuing in the present. It is in the past, past simple. When we want to ask questions about things that were completed in the past, we use the past simple tense. Have a look at the example. Did you read the paper yesterday? This is a past simple tense sentence. We know this by the word did, and I am asking you about yesterday. When we want to ask questions about things that we are unsure of, if it ever started or not, we use the present perfect tense. Have a look at this example. Have you seen today's headlines? So I am unsure if you have seen it or not. So I started with the word have because the subject is you. Seen today's headlines. Excellent job with the present perfect and past simple tenses. Well done. Goodbye.